Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. In the midst of our increasingly digital lives, this technology is revolutionizing the way we think about security and trust in the virtual world. But what exactly is blockchain? It's a term you may have heard, often linked with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its application stretches far beyond just digital money. At its most basic, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger. If you picture it, it's like a chain of blocks, and within each of these blocks, there's a list of transactions. Now here's the key factor that sets blockchain apart from other digital ledgers. Once a block is added to the chain, it's virtually impossible to alter. This unchangeable or immutable nature of the blockchain is what ensures security and trust in our digital interactions. So blockchain is not just a chain of blocks, it's a chain of trust. Let's break it down further. Each block in the chain has three key components. First, there's a unique identifier called a hash. This is like a digital fingerprint, utterly unique to each block. Second, we have the transaction data. This could be any kind of information like who sent what to whom or even a record of a contract. Lastly, there's the previous block's hash, which is what links each block to the one before it, forming our chain. Now, let's visualize a new transaction. Picture it as a digital packet of information, ready to join the blockchain. But before it can be added, it needs to be verified. That's where nodes come in. Nodes are a network of computers scattered around the globe, each holding a copy of the blockchain. They work together, using complex algorithms, to verify new transactions. It's like a digital democracy, where each node has a vote. The process of reaching agreement among the nodes is called consensus. It's a critical part of the blockchain system. Consensus ensures that only valid transactions are added to the blockchain, and it keeps all nodes in sync with the same information. After a transaction is verified, it's bundled together with other transactions into a new block. This block is then given its own unique hash and linked to the previous block's hash. And just like that, our transaction is part of the blockchain, unalterable and transparent. But what happens if someone tries to tamper with a block? Well, changing any information within a block would alter its hash. And since each block is linked to the previous one through hashes, changing one block would disrupt the entire chain, making the tampering evident. This is what makes blockchain so secure. So to recap, a blockchain is a chain of blocks where each block contains a hash, transaction data, and the previous block's hash. Transactions are verified by a network of nodes through a process of consensus. Once verified, the transaction is added to a block and linked to the existing chain. But why is blockchain so revolutionary? This is a question that might be swirling in your mind right now. The power of blockchain lies in its transformative potential. It's not just a buzzword that tech enthusiasts throw around, it's a game changer. Firstly, blockchain eliminates the need for intermediaries. Consider financial transactions, for example. Traditionally, they require a trusted third party, like a bank. But with blockchain, transactions are peer-to-peer, direct and quick. This decentralization empowers individuals, enhancing privacy and reducing costs. Secondly, blockchain ensures transparency. Each transaction is recorded on a public ledger, visible to everyone in the network. This level of openness fosters trust, making it a great tool for businesses. Imagine a supply chain where you can trace a product's journey from manufacturer to consumer. That's blockchain in action. Thirdly, blockchain prevents data tampering. Once a block is added to the chain, it's unalterable. This makes fraud detection easier and secures data integrity. It's like having a digital notary, verifying and safeguarding your information. Now let's talk about real-world applications. Blockchain is not just about cryptocurrencies. Its applications are far-reaching and diverse. In finance, it can streamline payments and remittances. In healthcare, it can enhance data sharing between providers, ensuring better patient care. Think about voting systems. Blockchain can ensure secure, transparent, and tamper-proof voting, strengthening democracy. In supply chains, it can track and verify products, reducing fraud and enhancing consumer trust. Even in the energy sector, blockchain can enable peer-to-peer energy trading, making renewable energy more accessible. The potential of blockchain is immense. It's like a digital Swiss Army knife, versatile and powerful. From finance to healthcare, from supply chains to voting systems, blockchain can revolutionize industries, making processes more efficient, transparent, and secure. Blockchain technology has the potential to transform industries, making processes more efficient, transparent, and secure. From finance to healthcare, its applications are vast and exciting. And there you have it, folks. Blockchain technology simplified, a chain of unalterable blocks, providing security and transparency in our digital interactions. This revolutionary tech has potential to transform various industries, from finance to healthcare, making processes more efficient, transparent, and secure. If you found this enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand tech insights. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let's demystify technology together. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.